Alright, so this is Ryan, back at Express Speed Shop. Here we got the, what is it, the Aeromotive Stealth. Aeromotive Twin Phantom Fuel Pump that we're installing for the 64 Fury Hellcat swap. So what I'm doing right now is I'm assembling our brand new gas tank. We got a brand new sending unit in there. The first step is finding the prime location for your pump, preferably where the lowest sump of the tank is. So you're gonna get your three and a quarter inch hole saw, and you want to be kind of somewhere, you know, you don't want none of the holes on one of the valleys right here. You want it all kind of on a flat surface, and then you want the center of the pump to be on the most flat surface. So what I've done is, this is the index tool. Drill one hole, put the indexing screw in there, then you drill another hole 180 degrees off. Boom. Then you could drill the rest of your 8 remaining holes. That'll kind of give you a good idea where all those holes are going to be. This piece is what's going to retain the pump on the table from underneath. So if you could just imagine, this is going to go like that through the holes, but it's going to go through the tank like this. I'm not going to do it right now, I still need to modify a little bit more, but you get the idea. Once I get that done, I take a measurement, which I've got 7 1/4 from the bottom of the tank to here, and I'm going to take our baffle, and I'm going to measure from the base of the boot here to where I marked it on the tank. So we got 7 1/4, so 7 1/4 would be right here. I'm going to mark it and cut it with a bread knife, an inch longer than the measurement, so that the foam makes a good seal underneath. I can get this in there, and then I could go ahead and I can mark our assembly here. So I'm gonna have to cut this to length, and these fuel pumps right here. I'm gonna put the filters on the bottom. Once I get all that assembled and plugged up, and all the wires zip tied and nice and pretty to the housing itself, I can then go ahead and install it, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step of the operation. Whoa.
Right here we got some